Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the literature named The Relationship Between Use of Writing Strategies and English Proficiency in Singapore Primary School. The content of today's topic consists of three main parts: introduction, research method, and conclusion. Now we come to the first part. Let me give you a brief introduction of this essay. The context of this research is that the author found few studies have investigated on writing strategy use in different cultural contexts, how young writers use their strategies, and the relationship between writing strategy use and language proficiency. So this study aimed to find out the writing strategies often used by primary school pupils in Singapore and to examine the relationship between strategy use and language proficiency. The research used a questionnaire and one-way ANOVA, and these are the findings. The next part is research methods. Here are four subparts. I will explain them one by one to you. This research is based on these two questions. You can pause to see. So for solving these two questions, 1,618 pupils of grade 4 to grade 6 from two local primary schools are selected for this study. In my opinion, there are some limitations in sample selecting. First, the author did not introduce the selecting methods, which I thought it is cluster sampling. Second, sample selecting was not random enough because it only chose pupils from grade 4 to 6, but the other grades were not included. So the results may not be general. Besides, the description of the samples was complex. You can see the picture on the right side, which is the description of the samples from the essay. So for measuring use of writing strategies, a specialized questionnaire was developed. A Lecter scale from 1 to 5 was used, with higher scores indicative of greater frequency. The range of Chromebook's alpha coefficients means the collected data is reliable. For measuring pupils' English proficiency level, actually I think the collected scores can only present pupils' face learning outcomes instead of their English language proficiency. In the following analysis, the standardized z-scores were used to group the participants into three proficiency levels: top, middle, and low. Okay, now let's see the results analysis. The first question, it used the Oxford's criteria, so we just need to check the mean. Here are the results. We can see that the frequencies of most writing strategies used are at medium level. Let's check if it is true or not. For metacognitive strategies, 16 out of 2012 are at medium level. For cognitive strategies, 16 out of 18 are at medium level. For social strategies, 2/3 are at medium level. So the results are correct. Now we come to the next question. It should be noted that the results of the two schools are reported separately for the following two reasons. The analysis method is one-way ANOVA. Here are IV and DV. I'm afraid that you will forget. We start from school 1. Here is a chart in the essay, only shows M, mean, and SD of 5 strategy subscales among the 3 proficiency levels. We have no idea about outcomes of one-way ANOVA, but there are some data in the essay which I have already made a chart and presented in this slide. As all these 5 subscales p-value is less than 0.05, there is a significant difference in students' English language proficiency among the using frequencies of writing strategies. However, it did not give the charts of full moments, no Levin's test, so we don't know if the homogeneity is violated or not, and not show the effect size. So there's no way to check the outcomes of one-way ANOVA, and the use of post-hoc Chef's test did not describe clearly too, but the use of it is not wrong, as the sample size is not equal among the 3 groups. Maybe it will be better to attach the charts containing the upper information in the appendix. For analysis of results of school 2, actually it has the same limitation of the results analysis of school 1, so I will not repeat that again. you can pause to see the charts. So in conclusion, we can only have a clear understanding of result 1 I presented here. As for result 2, we just know how the author said and wrote in the essay, but we cannot check the data. I think these are the limitations of this research, which I have already explained clearly earlier. And the pictures on the right are the content from the essay you can pause to check. That's the end. Thank you very much.